So I'm going to do a flip through just to show you dishing up devotions and recipes for a sweet child, both of which are written by Katie J. Trent. All right, so let's look into recipes for a sweet child, creative Bible-based activities to help your family thrive. Again, by Katie Trent. We've got, oops, let me get to, here you go. Emotional challenges, hatred, loving lime sugar cookies, depression, heavy yet hopeful chocolate cake, resistance to schoolwork, tug of war apple pie, pull apart bread, or apple pull apart bread, sorry, no pie there. Cussing or foul language, cut it out cookies, whining or complaining, grumble free Gillette. Again, gluten free options for most of the recipes. And get to, there's an introduction for how to use the book. And let's start with section 1. Anger. Bible verse, devotion, parents' prayer, a teachable moment, conversation connection, so things to talk about with your children, family fun, and then a baking buddies. Then we're going to move into what we're making. And with this, we're making Don't Blow It lava cakes. Again, gluten-free. Ingredients, directions. Don't Blow It lava mud cake. Directions. And then you move to the next one. Again, absolutely worth the buy. This one will be released on August the 8th, but you can buy it on Amazon and you can pre-buy it so that it'll ship to you on the 8th exactly, and you can get it as soon as it's ready. 100% get your hands on this book.